Welcome in to the Emery floor plan with Westin Homes. I'm Jeremy Knight, your favorite Austin realtor. Hey, I want to show you this awesome home. This is going to be located right now in Rough Hollow. There are many of these floor plans across Austin right now, so if you want more of these floor plans, definitely reach out to us. We actually have clients looking at this exact floor plan right now in this area of Rough Hollow, so we do like this floor plan. So let's talk about the Emery. What you're seeing right now is the front bedroom, but this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 3,200 square foot home. Now the prices for Westin Homes are kind of all over the place. In fact, this one just saw a $100,000 price reduction recently. So the prices in this area have come down. You're looking between the 8 and 900s right now for Rough Hollow in this area. But here we go. You saw the front bedroom as you walk into the front of the home. This is the front bathroom. Again, this is a 3 full bath property. It's a 3-car garage, and we're going to show you that as well. There's some fun stuff about this house that I can't wait to actually show you, so I'm excited. We got hype music going on in here. I'm hyped. Are you hyped? Let's hear from you in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I'm gonna give a shout out to Monica in Seattle for always jumping on in the comment section. So thank you so much. All right, here we go. So what I love about this house and what you may love is this curved staircase. I think that it'd be perfect for you for putting a Christmas tree right here. Here is the half bath up front. So this is a 3.5 bath. I almost kind of lied to you almost there at the beginning. I just wanted to save this sweet treat for the video. So there's a half bath as you walk in. If you are like me, I think it is really important to have a half bath for your guests, for people that come over and visit. And, not for, I have a problem when I have to walk through a bedroom to get to a bathroom or a bedroom space. Okay, let's slow the music down. We're in to the dining room area. Now, you could wall this in as an option and make this a closed-in dining room. I like it open like this, so it gives it more of an open concept feeling. What you'll notice about Westin Homes is that there's a lot of natural light. Do you like natural light? Well, guess what? This floor plan has a lot of natural light, and if you're looking at Rough Hollow gets lots of amazing views. Have you heard of Rough Hollow? If you haven't, drop a comment below. I want to hear from you. But if you're not looking, maybe you're looking at this floor plan somewhere else and not necessarily in Austin. Well, this floor plan, this builder, and this location are all fantastic. So as we step in the living room, I see the 2 niches on the side. I feel like you're going to put in bookcases on the side of that fireplace, but it is nice having a fireplace. Maybe you're not in Austin, but in the Austin area, it is nice to have that fireplace like twice a year, right? And it looks good aesthetically. What are you going to put in the niches here? And you notice lots of natural light in this floor plan. There's some other really cool features that I'm going to show you here in a minute that I think you're absolutely going to like. Maybe a couple features you're not going to like. I won't know until you write them in the comments. So one thing I don't necessarily care for about Rough Hollow, and you can see through the windows here, is a see-through fencing, and there's a lot of undulating hills. So that's one thing I'm just not a big fan of Rough Hollow, but Rough Hollow is a gorgeous community. We'll talk a little bit more about Rough Hollow in a minute. I do think that the amenities and everything you get in Rough Hollow really does make up for having see-through fencing. So we'll talk about that. Oh yeah, and the tax rate in Rough Hollow is lower now. It's actually like 2.03%. So if you are looking in Rough Hollow, that is really nice. Look at the upgrades Westin Homes picked in this. I like it. So think about this. When you're building a home, you actually, when you put a contract and build a home like this for the Emery, you actually get to pick out all the upgrades. Well, this one is a spec home that they've pre-built out. They've pre-made the price, and you get what they've put in here. I love the gray on gray tones. What do you think about these tones? Do you think they're out? Do you think they're in? The lighting on here are pretty interesting. You saw the lighting, the pendant lighting, not something you see a lot of. This is standard built-in. So for this floor plan, you are going to get a stove built in like that, which is pretty nice when you're looking at this. There's some really cool features here that I want to show you here in a second too, but I do like these lights. What are your thoughts? Notice all the recessed lighting as well. That's what I'm saying. You get a lot of natural light, and you get a lot of really beautiful recessed lighting in here. Ooh, music's getting me. Is the music getting you? I'm loving it. My editor did a great job today on the music choice for this. So I like how the backsplash ties into the countertop, ties into the cabinets, and then also, look, you have not really two-tone, but the island's a little bit different color. but I like how it all bleeds together and you get that really nice common theme. Even the fireplace is a darker color, and then you have these stainless appliances. Now, when you pick out appliances for new construction, you can pick higher end appliances. I think that these are Whirlpool. So if you want to do a higher end package, you can. That will be an upgrade. The countertops here are really nice as well. This is definitely going to be like a level 5 granite or silestone. And when you're looking at things and you're specking out for yourself, you know, think about that. You know, the value in a home is going to be in adding more upgrades. You don't want to overdo it, which we'll talk in a second too. So the garage is right over here. As you walk in from the garage, there's a pantry and a laundry room right here. So it's nice as the pantry is kind of around the corner from the kitchen and not in the middle of the kitchen. That gives you actually more space, and you don't have a door swinging in the middle of your kitchen. That's one thing I like about this floor plan. What do you think about that, not having the pantry opening indirectly into the kitchen but off the kitchen? Would be nice in this laundry room. What I would think is having, if you added in some cabinets above the washer dryer stack there, I think that would definitely be a good add. All right, I'm a big fan of showing you the garages. Not everybody's gonna show you the garages in their videos. I think it's important. So you can see you got a water softener loop right there. This is a 2-car standard with a tandem. And then look at that, you have lighting and windows into your garage, which is pretty nice. Are you a fan of the tandem garage? Look at the location of the water softening unit on this house. Now it might get pushed to a different location, but if that water softener sticks out too far, it might be, you know, impeding you driving into the garage. Now the water softener unit is a great thing to add. Typically most builders aren't going to put that in. They'll just put in a loop like you see right there. It's a little black thing in the corner. So you can put a water softener. It'll actually help reduce the friction in your pipes, you know, if you have hard water, depending on the area. So definitely a good value add. Here is a little breakfast bar area. You could see it in some of the previous shots. So you have a dining room area over there and this nook. Would you do the nook and the dining room? Would you do them separately? Or do you want just one? You tell me what you would do personally, because it's interesting on this. What I like about this floor plan is the outside patio. Look, when you're buying in the Austin area, you want to have good patio space. I think the unfortunate thing with Rough Hollow and this property potentially is that you look right into everybody else. So you take a beautiful home and you almost make it into a condo. Now, the builder doesn't always put in the fencing. It's something you may want to negotiate. We've had to negotiate fencing in on previous properties for our clients. In fact, we had a client move from Seattle that bought in this area, and we actually had to negotiate that in to the contract, so they don't always put that in. So here's a little virtual shot of the floor plan. What you'll notice again is that curved staircase. So you can put your Christmas tree during Christmas. You have that front bedroom off to the left, the dining room off to the left, that half bath right there to the right as you walk in, and then you have the master in the back. And then now one upgrade you can see on here that they have off to the side is a different way for the media door to entrance and a bigger media room. We'll show you if this floor plan on this house has a media room or not. But I think a media room is a good value add. You tell me in the comments if you think it's a good value add. It gives you a little bit extra space, a little extra AC space, but it gives you a nice space besides the game room to hang out in. Now, if you're moving from the Northeast or somewhere, you don't really get, you know, basements in the Austin area. So it's nice to have a game room and a flex media room. You tell me if that's something that you want. What I love about the top of the stairs is the top of the stairs come back to the front of the house. I've seen some floor plans where you're offset in the middle a little bit. I like that this is at the front, so you can stand at the front windows and look out, and actually look out from the front windows. So off the stairs, you come off to the right here. Here is the game room, and guess what? You can see the doors for the media room. So this one does have the media room. Do you think that having this media room would be a value add for you? I think for most buyers looking at this, potentially it is a value add because you want this extra flex space. Now, the media room is definitely a value add in my opinion, because it's not something you're gonna use every day, but it'll probably on the weekends when you're wanting to hang out with the family, have some popcorn, have a little theater space, you're gonna have that right here. All right, you've made it into 10 minutes of the video and we're finally in the media room. We haven't even showed you the master. We haven't even showed you the rest of the upstairs. So I'm super stoked to show you all of that. Yeah, I say the word stoked. I'm a fun realtor. I don't like to make real estate real stuffy and boring. I like to make it fun. In fact, we have clients that are looking right now in Rough Hollow and they said the experience with my wife, who is a fantastic realtor, has been an amazing experience because they're actually having fun trying to find a home. Whereas the last time they tried to buy a home, it was not fun. The market was crazy. They had to make a quick offer. Now they're enjoying that they can actually make a good decision. We can actually negotiate, and negotiating is something that we're doing on a lot of these properties, especially with new construction right now. You know, a lot of these builders are going to give you, you know, a few upgrades or a few things that they're going to offer. It's good to negotiate for more, especially in this market, and we've got a lot of experience negotiating for more. All right, so here is bedroom number 2. Again, this is a 4-bedroom. This is right off the top of the stairs. Now, you'll notice that this is a Jack and Jill bathroom right here. So you don't have a bathroom for each bedroom upstairs. Do you like that or not? I'm curious. It's one less bathroom to clean, I guess, but then you might have 2 teenagers arguing over bathrooms. So you tell me if that's a value add or not. I keep saying the word value add. I like to think of homes as investments, right? Whether you're buying a home to live in it or you're buying a home as an investment, you're investing your future into that home. So do you think that the investment in this home is the right investment for you? You tell me. Okay, I like that they carried the downstairs tile up into the upstairs bathrooms. In fact, this is the same tile that was downstairs in the downstairs bathroom. So I like consistency. Buyers, when they're looking at homes, like consistency. I've seen a lot of homes that have crazy different bathrooms, all different colors, bedrooms, all different colors, and sometimes that takes away from being able to think about the house and the space. I have to tell clients all the time when they're getting ready to sell the house, we got to take the colors back to neutral. If you've added too many colors, we need to reduce the number of colors in the home. Realistically, you need 2 to 3 colors at most, and when it comes to the tiling and flooring types, 2 to 3 different. That's it. Once you get over that, don't you think that it just takes away and it makes you think too much about the house? It makes you think about too much you might have to upgrade in the future? Well, that's what I tell my clients when we're getting ready to sell homes. So think about that when you're buying a home. You don't want to buy a home with too many different variations in tile, too many different variations in flooring. And so think about that when you're going to a design studio as well. Now, if you're going to do all of those things because you like them, fantastic. Think about, though, the buyer in the future may not like that, and that's why I say think of your home as an investment. That was a fun story, right? Drop a comment if you think that was a good story. Okay, here is the master bedroom. I'm going to show you the master bath. I love the master bath. What do you think about size for this master bedroom? I think the camera angles are doing this justice. Sometimes with the camera angles, they really don't give you a full scope of this bedroom or, you know, of the space, really. I like the tray ceilings, and I like how they painted them differently, so it really does give you variation in ceiling. It does make it look a lot more open and really give the ceilings justice for the height you add when you add in the tray ceilings. One thing I think I would probably have done differently in this bedroom is add more lighting and more recessed lighting in this. The fan is enough lighting, yes. But I feel like in the master bedroom, sometimes you do want more light, and it is better to have more lighting than less. That's just my opinion. You tell me what you think. When you walk into the master bathroom, this is, I feel like, a sanctuary. I think that they've done a really, really good job with the Emery floor plan. And you tell me, though. I mean, I'm just the guy that walks through properties and sends them to you and gives you my opinion. You got to tell me your opinion. I feel like the closet could have been a little bit bigger, in my opinion, especially if you're going to, sneaky. There's actually his and hers. There is a his and hers in this, so you do get a lot of closet space. Now, which one are you picking? Are you picking the other one? This one's got a little shoe rack in it. Now, what's interesting is I've had experience with builders where maybe they don't always put in the shoe rack, so that might be something you might have to add in the future. I've seen clients that have put in really beautiful closet spaces afterwards. I do like the Jack and the Jill, or the his and the hers, or the dual vanity, whatever you want to say, 2 separate vanities, not necessarily together. And look how big that tub is. Yes, you can fit a 6-foot man like myself in there. I believe they went with granite for the countertops in here and not silestone. I think it adds a nice depth to this one. What color counters would you do in this? Would you do these counters? Do you like these upgrades? Do you notice how the tile in here is the same as every other bathroom? Do you like that or don't like it? I just gave you a rambled why I do like it, but you tell me. Now I could have seen the shower been a different variation of tile. I think that would have been cool. Maybe a white tile or a lighter gray tile, but you tell me. It looks like they just took the same tile and ran it all the way through this specific bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna show you the fun parts of this house. We showed you most of them. Boom, there you go. Look how beautiful this house is from the outside. So you can find more information about this online. There's a lot of information. If you do want more information about this floor plan or how to negotiate on these, because look, if you go in without a realtor, it's fine, but you are gonna get more incentives. You are gonna get somebody to help you out through the process. The builder rep does not represent you. They represent the builder's interest. So keep that in mind. If you want more information about this floor plan or any other floor plan, reach out to us at the Night Group. We are here for you. We are a husband-wife team, and we make it our job to take care of you. Have an awesome day.